So why use Metasploit? Metasploit provides you with varied use cases. The first one would be open source and actively developed. So Metasploit is a preferred tool to other highly paid penetration testing tools because it allows access to its source code, and then you can add specific custom modules. It's also easy to use while conducting large network penetration tests. Metasploit conducts automated tests on all systems in order to exploit the vulnerability. You can also set the payload command, which allows you to switch between payloads. It becomes easy to change the interpreter or shell-based access in a specific operation. Metasploit also allows what's called a clean exit from the target system after it's been compromised. And then it also provides a friendly user interface, and third-party interfaces facilitate the penetration testing project. Now, we can't talk about the benefits of Metasploit without listing some of the challenges of using or relying on Metasploit. Firstly, it's used by many hackers and hacker groups. The invasive nature of Metasploit also presents legal risks for not just criminals, but also for ethical hackers and security analysts. When pen testers attempt to exploit a system, it could also result in unwanted effects. Both successful and unsuccessful attacks can result in crashed applications, unintentional denial of service attacks, and other system failures. And of course, lastly, vulnerabilities emerge much faster than they can be discovered. Additional tools, such as data leak detection solutions, complement Metasploit's capabilities by continuously monitoring an organization's attack surface. Now, there are many equivalent tools to Metasploit. The ones listed below are just a simple list of a few that are available. To find more, open up your favorite web browser, type Metasploit equivalents, and you can see various options. Our first one here is Nessus. Nessus is a cross-platform proprietary vulnerability scanner that checks both hardware and software for known vulnerabilities. It scans a broad range of technologies, including operating systems, network devices, hypervisors, databases, web servers, and more. Next would be the Acunetics. Acunetics is a web vulnerability scanner for all websites and web applications. It is fully automated out-of-band vulnerability scanner with what's called black box and grey box analysis capabilities. It can be deployed both in the cloud and on-premises on the client side. It detects and reports many vulnerabilities in applications built on architectures such as WordPress, PHP, ASP.NET, Java Framework, Ruby on Rails, and others. Next is Armitage. Armitage is a graphical tool attack management for Metasploit. It can visualize targets, recommending exploits, and demonstrating advanced capabilities through a schema. You could say that Armitage is a Metasploit in a GUI version. Armitage is free and developed as an open source project. To use Armitage, you must have Metasploit Framework, PostgreSQL, Nmap, and Java installed on the system. Next is NetSparker. NetSparker is an easy-to-use vulnerability scanner that can automatically find SQL injections, cross-site scripting, and other known vulnerabilities in web applications. NetSparker uses proprietary proof-based scanning technology to eliminate false positives automatically. Then we have the Social Engineering Toolkit, which is an open-source penetration testing framework designed for social engineering. SET, or the Social Engineering Toolkit, has several custom attack vectors that allow you to make a reliable attack quickly. And then lastly would be Nexpose. Nexpose is Rapid7's on-premise option for vulnerability management software. It monitors exposures in real time and adapts to new threats with fresh data, ensuring that you can always act at the moment of impact. So why use Metasploit? Well, firstly, security professionals can view an organization's system from a hacker's perspective. This vulnerability enables you to improve network security by remediating discovered vulnerabilities and other attack vectors. Metasploit enables you as the pen tester to automate many of the tedious tasks involved in the penetration testing process. Much of the basic code for these commands is within its libraries. Metasploit provides transparent reporting for executives, which helps in prioritizing vulnerabilities. With clear evidence of potential exploits, security teams can build a more robust business case to purchase additional security tools that can mitigate the attack surface.